This brand new custom home has the flexibility to meet all of your needs. It's built by Douglas Lake Custom Homes, who epitomize high quality construction. Let's take a look. The primary is on the main floor, and it's unique because it has a smoothie bar, coffee bar, and you can wake up to the sunrises in the morning. The luxury ensuite has a nice soaker tub, beautiful custom shower with a rain head, and heated tile floors. The butler's pantry has a sink and a bar fridge, and the rest of the kitchen just has gorgeous detailing with extra cupboard space. There's another full bathroom on the main floor, along with a guest bedroom or office space. Downstairs is where the flexibility is. There are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, a second full bathroom, and then there's this gym space with laundry in behind. You could convert this into a kitchen area if you wanted to, maybe a teen hangout down here. This self-contained legal suite has its own entrance, a bedroom, and a den. But there is an extra bedroom that's very close by, so we could convert this into 2 bedroom plus a den, or you could keep that bedroom as part of the main house. The large covered deck expands your outdoor living space and your kitchen. There is a triple car garage for all your toys, and we're so close to Big White here in Black Mountain. There are trail networks all over. Give me a call. I'll give you a tour. I'm Stephanie Gilchrist from Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty.